Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you about density. Do you know what is density? Density is the mass of an object. To understand density, we will do a science experiment. For that experiment, you will need a cup of salt, two glasses of water, and two same-sized lemon. First, we will take salt and drop it inside the water. Now, we will mix it well. Now, we will take a lemon and drop it inside normal water. As you all can see, this lemon sank inside the water. Now we will take another lemon and drop it inside the salty water. In this case, the lemon is floating in the water. Do you know why it is floating? The lemon is floating because of density. One more example of density is Dead Sea. In Dead Sea, we can float easily in the water as it has much more salt than all the other seas, and density is always more in salty water and less in normal water. Thank you and have a nice day.